Are you flying by Xarder for your holiday? Great. First, learn 3 tips that will save you legs, nerves, and children's tears. Watch until the end, because the last piece of advice is priceless. The first rule of the Xarder Master is, be the first in line for check-in. Most passengers are couples. Are you traveling with a child or children? Seats on a narrow-body airplane with a 3+3 seating arrangement quickly disappear, so you'll be split up after the plane if you do not apply this rule. The most popular Xarder airlines offer 32 or 33 rows, which means that if you're not among the first 66 families to check in, there's a good chance you won't be sitting together. Additional bonus. Once you get rid of the suitcases, the children will be grateful to you because you can give them your full attention and not run between them and the luggage. Security services will also be happy that they won't have to trigger an alarm related to abandoned, stray luggage. Are you starting from small regional airport? Relax. Go through the security check casually or even go for a coffee. There's no point in standing on several hundred square meters with multiple flights at once. But if you are on Rhodes in Heraklion or Horror of Horrors in Antalya, after checking in your luggage, run to the security control. Judge the risk and the number of passengers yourself by analyzing the departure board. Seriously, the security check queues, especially in Antalya, are like those at a bar with free ouzo. You might miss the boarding even if you're 2 hours before the departure. Third advice, don't be a sheep. Boarding call, everyone's rushing to the queue. Not you. You already have a seat assigned on the plane. The carry-on luggage will fit under the seat. The queue won't change anything except for swollen legs. Relax in the area. Approach only when they start calling the last call for your flight. Your feet will thank you for it. Stay until the end and experience your Xarder with dignity. And if you don't observe, you won't find out how to mark your luggage so that you can easily find it in a pile of similar suitcases on the conveyor belt, or to prevent it from getting lost or damaged. Give a thumbs up, leave a comment on how the tips worked, and of course, subscribe. Share this video with your friends who are flying with you on holiday. Let everyone know how not to die in line.